Hey y'all, it's Mary and it's day 12 of the advent calendars and Smudge is right here, so I think we'll do his calendar first. This is the calendar I got from PetSmart, and day 12 is, where's day 12? Is right over here in the Christmas tree window. Let's see what's in there. I hear something jingling. All right, let's see. Oops. Oh, here's a ball. Oops. Here's a ball. Now they got a green ball and then they got a half red and half green ball. So they do like these balls. They like to chase these through the house. You like that, Smudge? You want to show everybody that you're here? He's right here. Oops, can't turn the camera very well. Well, now he's heard something, his brother or something. So you like that, Smudge? Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Yeah, you like that? Put it down for, oh. See how he frights. He has a fright no matter what. For any little thing frightens him. Or, and I don't know if frighten's the right word, but spooks him or something. You like that? Want to play with that? Okay, and then I have the 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's. So this is from Cece's Trail Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter, and I am in love with it. And we need day 12. And day, hang on a minute. Day 12 is right here in the middle. You're supposed to do this, like push, oh my goodness, if I can do it. Sometimes I need a little help, y'all. Okay. And then if I can just grab it, that's the best way that it'll work. There we go. And I'm breaking the whole thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Anyway, here it is. Here's what we have. Let me read what it is. Let me put that down. This is, oh my, oh, it's Elemis. Oh, I know exactly what it is. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've got, he's right here and I have fur in my mouth. Ugh, sorry, y'all. I just got lipstick on it also. This is, here, Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is fantastic stuff. I love this. Smudge, are you gonna move? Because I'm gonna put this back, okay? This is, just the most wonderful balm. I'm sure it's sealed. This is a really nice, oh, it's not sealed. It's not sealed, y'all. That's funny. But there's a lot in there. There's a lot in there. This is a great travel size, fantastic travel size. This is the stuff that it is like an essential oil scent to it. It is a balm, a nice, it's not waxy at all. I guess the best way I could describe it is it's somewhat oily. You take some of it and, you know, it's like butter. You know, look at it, the way, the consistency. You take some of it and just rub it in your hands to warm it up a little bit. And then you take your makeup off. And it does a fantastic job of taking off all of your eye makeup, all of it. So it's fantastic. So I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And, that is the cutest jar. I do have some deluxe samples of this, but they're different looking. They're like a silver top and they're flatter. So this is just, I've never seen this particular size, but it's a great size. And we do have this today for the treasure hunt. This is the L'Occitane hand cream. It's fantastic. I've had this before. It is, I've had it many, it's something that's been around for years and years. I've had it many, many times in my lifetime. It's a wonderful to carry in your purse. It's a very rich hand cream. And the L'Occitane brand is an excellent high class, you know, upper scale kind of a brand. And this is fantastic. It's 1 ounce. And so this is my advent calendar. The ball, which is much left without it. So, you know, they've been overloaded with toys. So I might put some of these, I might put this away for another time because, you know, these kinds of things, does this happen to y'all? I'm walking through the house and I'll step right on it. I'll kick it and then next thing you know, smash. So it's good to have extra. And I love this. This advent calendar, I know, I think I've said it every day. I love it. I love it. It's a great calendar. Hey, I did want to, well, I was going to show y'all because I don't know why I didn't do it. I've been putting things in here. Why didn't I show you these couple of things? Was going to, Smudge, are you coming back up? The Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelash the lash, what's it called now? This lash stuff, lash brag. I don't know why I didn't open it and show you when I got it, because everybody says it's fabulous, and I want to use it, so. But it's got a fabulous brush. I like that brush. So I'm really happy. I've heard from several people it's one of their favorites, so that's going right in my stock. And then also the Urban Decay Little Lippy. I don't know why I didn't show you that either. I think because, well, I wasn't sure about the, you know what, see, it looks pink on camera, y'all, but it doesn't look pink in front of me. I'm gonna swatch it, what the heck. I love these little lippies, they're my favorite things ever. Oh yeah, I'm glad I swatched it because this is what it looks like on camera. Love it. But when I'm looking at it just like this, it looks really sort of almost very, very nude. And I don't like nude on me because it just washes me away. So I'm so glad I swatched it. I love it. And it feels so creamy and it's so, oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Somebody told me to try it, so there I did. Thank y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings and have a great day. Bye.